up, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day today. I hope all is well. It's a beautiful day outside. I wanted to make a video on a question I get asked all the time, and that question is, why do you have a beard? Why have the beard? Why grow the beard? You're starting to look homeless. My answer to those questions would be, I used to work at a fast food restaurant many years ago in high school, and the Greek owner of that restaurant would come in, see the peach fuzz, incomplete stubble I had going on, and say this in his Greek accent. Hey Mar, what is this? What is this? Shave, shave. I still remember it as if it happened yesterday. But the best part was that this guy had a goatee on, but the workers couldn't have any sort of facial hair whatsoever. So I find that a little hypocritic, if you will. And so I had to shave every single day because I was working with food. God forbid my beard follicles fell in there. And so I started college and I moved on to work at a local hospital and realized they didn't have any strict limitations on facial hair as long as it was well kept and, neat. Which would make sense because hospitals are a professional setting and you have to look good and neat so your patients don't look at you and question their healthcare with you as a worker of the hospital. I'm realizing the reason why I wanted to grow a beard was because I was told I couldn't. So this is me being rebellious. And I said to myself, man, I'm done with that. I don't want to shave no more. Those razors can get really expensive and then you gotta hack into your skin every day and shave your facial hair. I said I was done with that. Back then, to get a clean shave, I had to get the Gillette razors, because if you were to use the razors from the dollar store, I remember many times before, when you would shave your face, the razors would cut into your skin and you would be bleeding from all these lines and people would look at you like, what the heck did you do to your face? I'm like, it's the dollar store razors, man. And so I stopped shaving when I got out of that restaurant, and I've had facial hair ever since. And I say facial hair and not a beard because I went through some unfortunate stages where I wish a good friend would have intervened and told me I look ridiculous. And so finally I just let it grow. This is probably 3 to 4 months of growth right here. I just let the beard grow from fall to spring. I've had my beard a lot longer than this in the past, and I plan to grow it longer to keep up with this beard channel and to demonstrate the phases of beard growth. So that was my first reason. The second reason is, without a beard I just look like a 13-year-old boy, and my girl at the time would prefer I not look like a 13-year-old boy, so I grew the beard. And my friends are like, man, what do you do to let your girl let you have a beard and deal with that? Quite honestly, it all depends on your girl, fellas. Some like beards, some don't. If she doesn't like your beard, dump her. I want her catching me saying that out too loud. The third reason why I grew a beard is it signifies your transition from boyhood to manhood. Ever since I started growing it out, I realized people are starting to take me more seriously. Not that they haven't in the past, but it's this mature look and this mature approach that they bring about to you when they speak to you. I definitely feel more respected as a man now than I did as a boy with a clean shaven face. And the most important reason of all to grow a beard is because Vikings had beards, you would be honoring them by keeping it. I wear Thor's hammer proudly for Odin and Valhalla. As you can see, I'm big into Scandinavian culture. Ooh! Ooh! I want to thank you guys for taking a chunk of your day to watch this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you all soon.